Why your clothes don't fit well and how to fix it. Hello and welcome back to Sew Right. Today we are addressing a common problem many designers face, which is poor fitting. When a garment doesn't fit well, it's usually not the sewing machine's fault. Most fitting problems comes from incorrect measurements, poor cutting, ignoring body shapes differences. Our shapes are not the same. Not everybody's figure 8. We have different figures. So please don't ignore each person's shape. Skipping fittings, ignoring body shape differences. Everybody is unique. Professional designers adjust garments based on clients, not on assumption. When I see you, I need to see you before I know how to adjust this garment. You don't assume. Taking your time to fit properly improves comfort, confidence, and garment value. In the next episode, we will break down bust, waist, and hip fittings in a simple way. Please like, subscribe, and stay connected with Sew Right. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.